Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a membership site on Weebly. First, create an account. Then here, for your website, go select this I just need a website option. Here, go and choose from different templates depending on what you like. Then, click on Start Editing at the top right. Now, once inside the editor, you need a contact form. So go to one section. Then, on the left panel, select Show All Elements. And from the options, scroll down until you see Contact Form and drag it to your website. Now that you have that, you can go and edit it depending on the field that you want to collect. So for example, I'm gonna change this name to member name. You can also add another field by dragging this short text box so that you have another element, or you can delete one if you'd like to. But once done, you can now hit on the save button. Then here, you can go to pages on the upper ribbon. Then, on the left panel, click on one, but make sure that that page is not the one with your membership login or registration. For example, this form is on my home page, so just leave it as is. Now go back to other pages, and here under visibility section, go and change it to members or group only. But for here, you need to upgrade your site so that you can add a group or member for your website. But once you've upgraded, you can just easily do that. Now to add a member or a group, on the upper ribbon, go to your site settings. Then in here, on the left panel, go to members area. And now, you can easily add a member or a group so that your site will be exclusive to them. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.